Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Snapchat notifications not showing. If you're using Snapchat and you're facing the issue that your Snapchat notifications are not showing, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to make sure that your phone is not on Do Not Disturb mode or your Do Not Disturb mode is not enabled. If you find that your Do Not Disturb mode has been enabled, so try to disable this first, then go to settings here and here go to sounds and haptics and enable and disable the toggle if your silent mode is enabled. So once I have disabled the silent mode, just go back from here, go to notifications section and here go to Snapchat, and you just have to make sure that all of the settings for your Snapchat app has been enabled. Very first check for this also. So once I have checked all the settings from here, just go back and you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, so try to update your software and also try to update your Snapchat app. So open your settings app first, go to general, go to software update and try to update your software. If you find any pending software update here, try to update your software. After updating software, go to App Store and here just go to search and simply search for Snapchat, and you just have to make sure that your Snapchat app is up to date. There's no any pending updates for your Snapchat app. If you find just try to update your app, after updating, your issue must have to be fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, so sometime it might be that there will be any bug or any malware with your Snapchat app. Now to fix this issue, you have to go to settings and here go to iPhone storage. Here go to Snapchat app and you just have to try to offload your app, or you can also try to delete apps. In case of offloading or deleting, you have to reinstall the app, and after reinstallation your issue will be fixed. If there will be any bug or any malware with your Snapchat app, it will be fixed in this app and you will not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.